Hey beautiful people, it's Tiara and I'm back with another video. So as you can see from the title, I did this bob. So if you want to see how I customized this and how I installed it, just continue watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like, if you haven't subscribed yet, then what are you doing? I'm waiting. Okay, great. Get into the lace though. Get into it. Yeah, get into it. Okay, so this is my first time buying from Dola Hair. I already added the video of the actual hair itself, but in the box they gave me two wig caps. They gave me a foundation stick. Well, this one I ordered separately actually. A foundation stick. And they gave me their wax. Can you see that? They gave me an edge brush with a comb at the bottom. Well, what is that called? Like a tail comb part, I guess. And they gave me two cute clips that say hair on them. And they gave me this little coupon thing. So this was really nice. Like, this is the first vendor I bought from where they gave me so many extra stuff that I didn't order. So that was nice. But let's just get into the customization. Okay, so this hair is from Dola Hair. It is a 10-inch, I think, Peruvian wig. I got it in a medium cap because I wasn't sure how big it was gonna be. But the hair is super soft, so I love it. And no, this video is not sponsored. I would love for them to sponsor me, but this is not. I bought this one and it was actually very affordable, so it's not that bad. So I already bleached the knots on this wig before I started to record, and I actually have a video of how I do bleach my knots. I'll put that down below. Also, in that same video, I show how I pluck the lace on my wig. So as a quick recap, I basically just pin it down to my mannequin head and I spray it with water around the hairline. And then I just basically pluck all the thicker parts. But I'll show you guys how I do it. But I'm not going to be talking too much this video because this is just going to be a short and quick install. Okay, so as you can see, I did my wig cap off camera. I also have a video of how I do my wig cap. It's very detailed. I'll also link that down below. And the glue I'm going to be using in this video, as always, is the Ghost Bond glue. Okay, y'all, so this is my very terrible attempt of cutting this wig into a bob. I ended up having to do it properly off camera, and I let my brother help me cut the back because I couldn't really see. So you might want to do this before you glue the wig on, but you could still do it while it's on your head because I got it done. So basically my technique to cutting this bob straight was just basically like cutting small sections at a time. Like don't just cut like the whole thing up to where you think you want it. Like cut little by little and then level it out on each side. Okay, so this is me after attempting to cut the back. As you can see, it's definitely not straight. I had to make my brother fix it. But now after he fixed it, everything turned out really good. So I already cut the lace off, and I took out some baby hairs off camera, and I'm just gonna tie it down and let it sit for a little bit after I finish molding the hair. Okay, so you already know what's going on here. I'm just cutting some baby hairs, and I used my mousse. I actually do not remember the name of that mousse, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's kind of watery. I prefer to use Nairobi mousse because it doesn't like lift my lace, but after I use it, I just tie it down and then it lays back down. Okay, yeah, so this is basically the final result. I just have to flat iron it, but I didn't do it that night because I had to go out the next day. So this is how the lace looks, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe.